So, sir, I think you've spoken about the complexity of the operations, the complexity of the problems that you deal with. We've spoken about change management. We've spoken so much about sense of ownership and extreme sense of responsibility in VUCA, volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous, and of course, large-scale organization में large-scale people management. And then you spoke about RFIs, RFQs, sourcing, procurement. So then after that you hung your uniform, right, sir?
Yep.
So then उसके बाद क्या किया सर फिर आपने?
GMAT pass किया.
Okay, and then?
Then I did my MBA from Boston, and then I got placed in a 125-year-old healthcare company in New York City.
What is that company, sir?
That's called VNSNY, Visiting Nurse Service of New York.
Okay.
So that's a very cool company.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice people.
Mm-hmm.
I had very good experience with them, and so I just worked in one company in US. Probably they liked me a lot, or they didn't get my replacement. So whatever it was, I had very good rapport, and till top management, people knew me. Then after COVID, I came back to India. Then I joined another US company as AVP, and I was heading data science and data warehousing here, and whatever else they could give me. So
how was it, sir? Sorry, but from bloodshed to healthcare?
They are related, no?
Yeah.
So related experience. So there we were taking out blood. Here we were preventing loss of blood. So
Yeah.
either ways, it was nice, and it was a sea change, as people say. But it's the people that make a lot of difference. So they always say, there is a equipment, and then there is a man behind the machine or man behind the equipment. So the people make a lot of difference. And I found, maybe I've been very lucky, I found very good people everywhere. So in US also, the people were very nice. I worked with them, very nice. We are still in touch with a lot of them. And then after coming back to India, like people in corporate say, just to give an example, my team in India has worked over the weekends. मैंने मेरी टीम को बोला कि there has been this fuck up, we need to fix it. एंड मेरी टीम ने बैठ के पूरा वीकेंड उन्होंने काम कराया, एंड दैट टू ऑन नॉट जस्ट द वीकेंड, इट वाज सम फेस्टिवल ऑल्सो. सो माई होल टीम वॉज वर्किंग थ्रू आउट, एंड आई वॉज विद माई टीम. सो विद इफेक्टिव लीडरशिप, एंड when people see that our boss is with us, then you promote from being a manager to a leader. वो मैनेजर बोलते हैं ना, कुछ भी कचड़ा है उसको मैनेज कर दो, इज अ मैनेजर. बट द लीडर इज द वन हु सेज दिस इज राइट, this is morally correct, this is the right thing to do, and then people come with you and they follow you.
इसीलिए बोलते हैं, you do it on yourself first.
Exactly.
Before asking your subordinates to do it.
Absolutely. That's what is lead by example.
Yeah.